Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're going to be continuing our series for our stock screener. So if you're new here, thanks for joining us. This is what we do micro videos, one video upon another, and we build from it. So where we left off last time is we had a bunch of pickled files right here. So now we need to figure out how to extract and merge all this information here. So if we really think about it, we need to find out what files we want, or we could track the files that we are creating right here, or right here, and then we have our variable name right here. So we could do something like this. As we create them, we could then add them to our files list and just append file f name. The reason why is because then the next step that we're going to do is we need to look and see. Let's go ahead and rerun this. We now need to see how in the world we're going to pull from all of this stuff that we have, and how in the world are we going to use it. And you'll see that, yes, it is a dictionary after we grab it as a JSON, but it's not the most user-friendly dictionary that you may have seen before. So I'm going to show you a little template. So let's see, len of results, I think is, len, that's right, len of its data. There we go. So let's see, is this, so let's grab the keys. Data, let's see, you can see that. All right. So here are all the keys, so let's just grab one of them. Data UGP. I don't even recognize that ticker symbol. All right, so holy moly. Okay, so we have inside this, then we have our fundamental, then inside that, it then has a key of symbol. Aha. Okay. So we need to then unpack the fundamental, which, all right. So I will show you then what we need to do. So then we need to come down here. So what we're going to do is then we're going to throw this into a list, and then this has everything. And then we're going to throw this into a data frame. So we need to go and grab every single, we're going to go through each pickle file, move everything over, then throw it into a data frame. And we're going to extract what we want. So what we're going to look for is what I have found to be the most telling of what the way that I look at things is we're going to pull the symbol, the net profit margin for the quarter, then the PE, then the PE ratio, pegRatio, and the 52-week high. So those are all keys. So let's just see how far we get in this. So now we're going to make a new list, empty list, data. Let's bring this up here. And for file in files, then with open and file RB as file. I haven't written this one in a while. Then we're going to call this info. And we're just going to keep our pickle, kl.load. And everything that we have done is there is a video on each specific thing that I am talking about. That's why these are micro videos. All right, so now So now I'm going to pull all of my tickers, because then I'm going to go through, because each file has a key and I don't know exactly, so I'm going to pull these all out. So let's look at this. So tickers equals list info. Then I'm going to make my points of interest. And these are the keys that are here. So this is very specific. Symbols, then net. Here, I'm going to copy all this because I know I'm going to type this wrong. And yes, you're correct. I don't like this. But, all right. I will have this down in the description below for you guys to look at. All right, let's move that back over. Points, then for ticker in tickers. For point in points. Ticker.append info. Now check this out. I'm going to throw in ticker. Then this is always fundamental because it's the first layer. Let me make sure I typed that right, so I'm going to cheat. Okay, did not. And then my point. Gonna grab that out. Then my data, append each tick. All right. Okay, we did that in about 7.5 minutes. So I'm going through each pickle file, 500 symbols at a time of a returned, there we go, of a returned fundamental of all of these market movers. Okay, all of these market datas right here. So you may like, and you might like different markers, so then you would have different points. That was why I decided to use the term, the variable points. You might want to be looking at volume. I know I had a question not too many days ago about wanting to see change in volume. This has average daily volume, so I can show you how to merge and pull from different data frames. We'll be doing that very soon. But this is a great stopping point. We are about to merge and just dump this all. I wanted to do this right here. One last super important thing. So now I just realized, so if you do not do this, you will have your system overrun with files that just build up throughout the day. So now we need to throw out throughout the day or weeks. OS. So as we go through it, as we pull out all the useful information for us, we will then delete that file. Forgot that one last part. So cool, got through all this. Then next video, we will begin to dump this into a data frame and really begin to do some amazing things with it. So there we go, guys. Real quick video today. Thank you as always for watching. Make sure you're staying tuned, watching these right here, because over 800 videos now. And as always, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.